Hello everyone, my name is Santosh and today I'll be talking about space colonization. Space colonization is a very important and exciting topic. It lets us learn more about how humans can live outside of Earth. No space bases or colonies have been created yet, though progress is being made. The reason for colonizing somewhere else other than our home planet Earth is because our home now is temporary. Natural disasters like sun transforming to a red giant, asteroid impacts, gamma ray bursts, and human-driven disasters like global warming, ecological collapse, and environmental toxins can destroy a planet beyond repair and it will eliminate humans with it forever. To escape this end-of-the-world situation, we first need to relocate and start a new life somewhere else in the universe. One possible solution is the moon. The moon is very close to us, only about a 3-day trip, but there are lots of problems with it. One of them is radiation. The moon has no atmosphere, which means all the radiation from the sun will hit us on the moon. Too much radiation can cause cancer and other serious health problems. Another problem is resources. The moon does not have air, water, or food, which is here on Earth to keep us alive. To live on the moon, we had to bring these supplies over, and that will be very expensive. To solve the radiation problem, we had to build moon bases to act as buildings and protect us from all the radiation. Doing that will also cost lots of money and it will be very expensive, so the moon is postponed on our permanent home list. Our next candidate is Mars. Mars is very far away from us, about an 8 to 9 month journey, 61.78 million miles away. It is the fourth planet from the Sun and is nicknamed the Red Planet. Mars has not been visited by humans yet, though rovers have ranged through the land. One advantage that Mars has that the moon does not is ice caps. Mars once had an atmosphere, just like Earth, but now stripped away by solar winds and radiation from the sun. So now it's a freezing desert. All the water that may have been on it is now frozen in ice caps. If somehow we can unfreeze these ice caps, we can use the water for ourselves. We can also use the carbon dioxide that's in it to grow up plants, since plants need CO2, sunlight, and water to grow. These plants can be used for food. Another problem is the landscape. Martian landscape has lots of fine dust, finer than here on Earth. These fine dust can clog up electronic devices, which is very important to us. These dust can also create huge dust storms that can be seen from space. These storms can block solar panels, which allows us to get energy from the sunlight. These energies can be used for different things like electricity. Mars is probably the next place that humans will visit. NASA and other space agencies are already working to put humans there. But a frequently asked question is, can humans visit other planets in the solar system? The answer is, it varies from each. For instance, Mercury has no atmosphere and is too close to the sun to maintain life. Venus has an extremely dense atmosphere and is too deadly and poisonous for humans. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are all gas giants, which means they have no actual surface for humans to live on. It will just keep falling through and through until you hit the center of the planet. Well, what about exoplanets? Exoplanets are planets that are not in our solar system, but orbit stars. These planets are very far away from us. It will take light years to get there. Light years are the distance that light takes to travel in a year. So, if you were to travel at the speed of light, it will still take you lots of years to get there. The closest exoplanet is Proxima Centauri b, which orbits the star Proxima Centauri. So our only hope now is either Moon or Mars. Either way, we'll know more as technology advances, and as it advances, we'll know more about how we can live on space and how we can adapt to the environment. Thank you very much.